Racing gas is started. We have instant break. Weekly at the start. Tukmo, last sa sim. Moving up Madera. Eroria sa the storm play. Fiery Princess comes next. New Golden City while Money for Up is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have last Sim Madera, Fiery Princess, Tukmo comes next, then followed by Instant Storm Play. Next on line is Money for Up, while New Golden City now racing in less half mile distance they traveled. We have Madera, last Sim is down on the inside, Fiery Princess is racing in third. Tukmo comes next, moving up sa the Storm Play. Instant New Golden City while Money for Up now racing in less. Madera, Fiery Princess is down on the inside. Last Sim is Storm Play now moving up the outside. Tukmo, Instant New Golden City and Money for Up. The lead now belongs to Fiery Princess via the length. Storm Play as they swing for home. Fiery Princess this time by about 4 lengths. And in second, Madera, Storm Plays on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Fiery Princess, followed by Madera, Storm Play, New Golden City, and finally it's Fiery Princess, Madera, Storm Play, then comes New Golden City, last sa Simba.
5